In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit alt text for images on your Squarespace website, ensuring your site is more accessible and SEO friendly. Alt text, or alternative text, is a vital tool for making your content accessible to all users, including those who rely on screen readers due to visual impairments. Plus, it helps search engines understand the content of your images, which can be beneficial for your site's search engine optimization. Let's start by navigating to the Squarespace homepage using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, head over to your dashboard where you can see all your website projects conveniently listed. Choose the site you want to work on. Look for the website section on your dashboard, which is typically located on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on Website will bring you to a new panel where you can access various options related to your site design and content. Now let's focus on the specific task of editing an image to add alt text. You'll want to find the specific page or section of your website where the image you wish to edit is located. Once you've located the image, simply click on it. This should open up editing options that provide you control over several aspects of the image. You should see an Edit button, usually appearing on or near the image itself. Click on this button to delve deeper into the image settings. When you click Edit, a panel or overlay will appear, displaying detailed options for modifying the image settings. Look for a text field labeled Image Alt Text. This is where you will input a descriptive text that succinctly explains what's in the image. Good alt text should be concise yet descriptive enough so that someone who cannot see the image can understand its content and purpose on your site. For example, if the image is of a scenic mountain landscape, you might write something like a majestic view of snow-capped mountains under a clear blue sky. If the image is promotional, be sure to include any relevant context that aids in conveying its purpose. After you have carefully entered the desired alt text, it's important to save your changes. Look for a Done or Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right of the Edit panel. Click it to ensure that your changes are secured and reflected on the live site. And there you have it. Your image now has alt text, improving the accessibility and SEO of your site. Congratulations! That's a wrap on how you can edit alt text for images on Squarespace. Remember, alt text not only enhances accessibility for your audience, but also boosts your website's performance in search results, making this a small but significant improvement for your site. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments section if you have any questions or need further guidance on optimizing your Squarespace website.